Ed, let's start with the deal at hand. Is this about governance, or is this just about who gets to run a new company? Is this just about egos colliding?
I think it's both, and you know what's interesting is each party is kind of blaming the other, but for different issues. And this is rare. I mean, basically what it looks like is going on is Anthem are trying to sort of snatch a hostile from the jaws of a friendly, which you never see. Like, you see deals go hostile after a friendly's kind of broken down, but what's weird here is Cigna is saying, well, hold on, we were having really good discussions with you guys just a week ago. We thought everything was going well. All we needed to agree was some very kind of like high-level stuff about who was running the company. And next thing they know, they've done a bear hug letter and said, we're going to do this, this, and this.
What is going on in the market for U.S. health insurers that Anthem is so desperate to close this so quickly?
I think everyone is in play except United. So you've got 5 players, United being by far the largest. Yeah. Everyone else is a potential target right now, which means that they are all desperate to kind of get their deal done. Also, because it's already consolidated, there's not much opportunity. Once the deal's been agreed, unless the regulators block that particular deal, it's going to be very hard for anyone else to do a follow-on.
Can I ask a dumb question? One of them's 43 billion market cap, one of them's 40 billion. Who's the dominant company here?
Well, in a way, neither. And what's interesting here is that Cigna had initiated these discussions. So Cigna goes to Anthem way back sort of earlier this year.
Let's get together to take on the big guy.
Let's get together. Look, there's going to be consolidation in this industry. Everyone knows that. So why don't we be the two to get together? It makes sense. So, and now Anthem sort of, it looks like, turning around and saying, you know what, we want to buy you and we want to do it on terms that you don't like.
Okay, so the airlines merge, seat tickets go up. Does this mean the summer camp physical is going to go up? I mean, let's cut to the chase.
I think so. Eventually, that will happen. But I think what they're doing at the moment is they are all looking at one another and saying, what is the deal that we can get done that's most favourable to us? Do we sell ourselves? Do we buy someone else? Do we do this MOE? Which it looks like that the original Cigna Anthem plan would have been more like an MOE.
Ed, there seem to be 2 things going on here. One is governance, who gets to run the company. The other is Cigna is saying this is going to be a more complicated merger than you think. Which is more important?
I think at this point, it's who gets to run the company seems to be the real sticking point. I mean, look, they do have some overlaps. There's the Blue Cross Blue Shield Association overlap, which will be the issue here, and I think will be the issue of any of these companies merging. In this case, it's not actually that significant. What is strange here is that Joe Swedish, who's the current chief exec of Anthem, has said, you know what, if we're going to do this, I want to be chief exec, I want to be chairman, I want to be head of the integration committee, and I want to be president. He wants 4 hats. And Cigna are turning around and saying, well, why? You only have 1 at the moment. You have a split chairman CEO role at the moment, so why would you have 4?
And you're not that much bigger than we are.
Especially as it's part, you know, a third of this deal or proposed deal would be stock, so you're asking your shareholders to take on a slightly tricky corporate governance structure.
Ed Hammond, thank you so much. Do you have an opinion on Greece? Everyone else does.
Everyone else does.
You don't have an opinion on Greece?
I probably have lots of opinions on Greece, none of which are sensible enough to stand up on this show.
Very good. Ed Hammond, thank you so much.